This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
And time now is 12:30. We're taking a live look out in Springfield for now. You can see we got the sun out, but notice a lot of these puffy clouds starting to develop off to the west here. So there is a lot of instability out there. We got high humidity, the sun is out, and we got a cold front approaching out of the west. And so that is going to help generate the chance of any thunderstorms come this afternoon. Westfield, same goes for you. We're looking off to the west here. You can see some of those clouds starting to just kind of flare up. Got the breeze coming in out of the south. Winds are going to be staying light out of the south for the rest of the day. Temperature now 86 in Northampton, 84 in Springfield, 86 there in Greenfield, up around the upper 80s to near 90 back in the Berkshires, and dew points are in the low to mid 70s. So you'll definitely notice that higher humidity when you walk outside. A dew point is 76 in Northampton, 74 in Greenfield. So some tropical, more oppressive humidity is in place. High temperature will eventually climb into the upper 80s and low 90s for today. We'll fall back into the 70s this evening and eventually into the 60s for later tonight. So temperatures the next few days are actually going to be staying above average, but we'll be starting to cool things down a little bit. We're not going to be dealing with the 90s anymore. We'll be in the upper 80s tomorrow, 87 on Friday, 88 on Saturday. Average high temperature 82 degrees this time of year. You can see most of us completely dry. There's a couple spot sprinkles starting to pop up. One downpour riding right along the Connecticut state line. This is right around Hartland, Connecticut there, pushing into Bark-Hampstead. Eventually that could possibly graze into Southwick here, so we'll keep an eye on that. But taking a wider view on clouds radar, you can see some of these downpours and thunderstorms starting to really pop up off to our west here. So we're going to keep an eye on that over the coming hours. 22 Storm Team Skycast here, 12 o'clock. Going towards 2 p.m. really starts to show these downpours and showers beginning to develop, and then notice some thunderstorms try to develop during the mid to late afternoon going into the evening. 6 p.m. here, this line of storms tries to come through associated with that cold front. The overall risk for today for severe weather is fairly low. It's a level 1 out of 5, so the lowest on the scale of severity from 1 to 5, but it's up for all of western Massachusetts, and the main concern would be some strong straight line winds and some heavy rain that could reduce visibility on the roads and also create some ponding on the roads as well. So that is the main concern. Of course, lightning is always a threat with some thunderstorm activity, and then hail looks pretty unlikely. The atmosphere does not look favorable for hail development today. So if there's any good news, that's definitely some good news if we can miss out on any hail. In terms of the other side of the weather news, we got Tropical Storm Erin in the Atlantic, currently 45-mile-per-hour storm there, pushing off to the west at 17 miles per hour. This is expected to become a Category 3 hurricane by late this weekend into early next week there north of the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. So we'll keep an eye on that, but as of right now, it's very far away, and we got plenty of time to keep an eye on it over the next few days. So 88 to 92, the high temperature, falling back into the 60s to near 70 for tonight, mostly cloudy. For the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, chance of a shower for the day tomorrow, but much of the day looks fine. Friday, Saturday, Sunday looking good. Temperatures in the 80s to near 90. Overnight low temperatures mostly in the 60s. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.